Welcome. In this session we'll be doing box breathing, so breathing in through the nose for 4, holding the breath for 4, exhaling for 4, and holding the breath for 4. Let's start with an exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. In. Hold. Out. Hold. Good. Keep going. Breathe in. Hold. Out. Hold. Stay relaxed. Breathe in. Hold. Out. Hold. And take a nice slow deep breath in through your nose. And let it go. Return to your natural breath as we prepare for round 2. You can choose to go double as slow for this round if you want. I'm going to count the standard 4 in, 4 hold, 4 out, 4 hold, but see what works for you. Alright. In. Hold. Out. Hold. In. Hold. Out. Hold. Good. Keep the breath steady and smooth. In. Hold. Out. Hold. In. Hold. Out. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Out. Hold. In. Hold. Out. Hold. Take a slow deep breath in and hold your breath at the top, and then exhale slowly out of your mouth. Let everything go. Return to your natural breathing. There's nothing you have to do, nowhere you have to be. Just relax. In this session, we're going to be doing a physiological sigh. So you're going to be taking 2 sips of air in through your nose, which will sound like this. You want that second sip in to be really deep and strong, filling your lungs up completely with air. And then you're going to exhale out of the mouth like you're dumping a bucket of rocks. And it's going to have a sound to it too, right? Make it a proper sigh, which will sound like this. So let's start with an exhale. Ready? In, out. In, out. Good, keep going. In through the nose. In, deep inhale, full exhale. In, out. Good, and return to your natural breath. Coming into round 2, I really want you to exaggerate those exhales. Make a noise, make it louder. Start with an exhale. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Good. Deepen the breath. In, out. Let it go. In, out. Almost there. In, out. In, out. And take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. And exhale slowly out of your mouth. Let it all go. Hold your breath. And take a nice, slow, deep inhale. And allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. As you relax your forehead, jaw, shoulders sink down. Relaxing all the muscles in your hands and fingers. Softening your chest, belly, and back. Feel a wave of relaxation wash down your thighs, knees, shins, relaxing all the toes. As you feel your body completely relaxed. In this very gentle, calming session, we'll be practicing a hum on the exhale. So you'll take a deep breath in through the nose, and then as you exhale through the nose, make a humming sound. Remember to keep your jaw as relaxed as possible throughout this. Let's start with an exhale. Breathe in. Hum. Deep breath in. hum. Now I invite you to go at your own pace, whatever feels best for you. You can experiment with different sounds. Keep going, last few here. And whenever you've finished your last exhale, take a slow, steady breath in through your nose and hold your breath at the top. And gently exhale out of your mouth. Let everything go. As you feel yourself becoming heavier and heavier, sinking deeper down. You rest your awareness on one area of your body that feels the quietest, the calmest. Notice any sensations in this area. What makes it so calm and so quiet? As you feel this calm, quiet stillness begin to spread through your whole body, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head, encompassed in relaxation and calm. Rest here. Thank you so much for breathing with me.